Okay, so we should be getting used to these now. And we're going on to a third one, which is 2014 ordinary level. Okay, so this is Bridget Henderson is who we're doing this for. So first thing we need to do is we have to set up our page. So you can see I've done it here. So again, I turn off the video, do it out yourself. Okay, so all the dates, you always put the first of the month, whatever month it is. Then you go over and you get your dates along here and you pop them all up along here. Then you get your assets, which is your buildings, delivery vans, stock, debtors and bank. You put them in there with the figures given in the balance sheet. Get your total, then do your liabilities. We always put in the bottom liabilities first in the finance by, and then we go up to these ones. And then we always leave a space at the end because there's usually something else. And we always put in our drawings as well. Okay, because there'll always be something there in ordinary level. Okay, so let's get started with the first transaction. Was on October the 4th, paid by check, expenses that were due at the beginning of the month. So if we look down here, we can see where expenses due is 300. So that's going to be a negative 300. To reduce it so you no longer owe that. So that'll give us a total of 300 here. Oh, I forgot to put in my total here. 567000. Okay. And then we go up here on our bank. If we're paying our expenses, then our bank is going to be decreased by 300. Done. Okay. Next transaction then, purchase goods on credit for 14,600. Okay, so that means our stock, if we purchase good, is going to go up by 14,600. So that'll be a total of 14,600. What we owe our creditors now is going to be 14,600. So that'll give us a total of 14,600. Okay, October the 12th, purchase a new delivery van for 18,000. So our delivery vans are going to go up by 18,000. A deposit of 6,000 paid by check. So our bank will be reduced by 6,000. And the remainder was borrowed from Easy Finance Ltd. So we have to add down here Easy Finance Ltd. Okay, so first things first, then we need to increase our delivery vans by 18,000. Okay, our bank, like we said, is going to be reduced by 6,000 because they paid the deposit by check. 18,000 minus 6,000 will give me positive 12,000. Okay, and then down here we're going to have the remainder of what was left, which is 12,000. We borrowed that from Easy Finance Ltd. So that'll give me a 12,000 as well. So we know we're correct because we have our totals here and here are the same. Okay, next then, October the 15th, received from a debtor a check of 3,800 in full settlement of a debt of 4,000. Okay, so we've made a loss of 200. So the debtors is going to be reduced by the full amount, which is 4,000. They no longer owe us that. Our bank, then they gave us 3,800. And if you add them together, you get a negative 200. Our profit and loss, we lost out there. We get them a discount. Sorry, I shouldn't put that comma in there. So that's our 200 there. Don't mind, that's just a mistake. Okay. So then that'll give us a total of negative 200 and we're balanced again. Okay, the next thing then was October the 18th, paid by check 1,800 for repairs to private residence. Okay, so again, straight away we see private residence, we know we're talking about drawings, right? So our bank is going to be reduced by 1,800. That'll be 1,800. Then our drawings is a negative 1,800. Okay, I'm taking that out of the business. And then that gives a total down here as negative 1,800. Right, the next thing then, October the 20th, receives a discount of €80 when paying a creditor's account balance of 600. So what we're going to do there then is the bank is going to be reduced not by 600 but by 520 because they gave us an 80 discount. So that will give me a total of 520, or negative 520 I should say. In our profit and loss, well, we gained 80 and a positive 80. And then our creditors, we no longer owe them 600, so that reduces what we owe. And then that'll give me a total of negative 520. Okay, October the 21st then, sold goods which originally cost 5,000 for 6,500. This amount was lodged. Okay, so we've made a profit here. So our stock is going to be reduced by 5,000. Our bank is going to be up 6,500. So that'll be a positive 1,500. Okay, our profit and loss is going to be 1,500. Okay, that's how much we made in profit. And then that'll be a total of 1,500. Okay, so now turn off the video and do your totals and then check them against the ones I'm going to put up now in a sec. And there's all our totals. And we're done.